Welcome to Teach Me channel. In this video, I want to show how to get the Docker matrices in Prometheus, and we can monitor the Docker using Grafana. Okay, so first I will install Grafana and Prometheus. We can do it two ways, like in the Docker host machine we can install Prometheus and Grafana both. Otherwise, another way we can do, like install Docker on one machine, then configure it with Prometheus and get the graphical view in Grafana. So like that way also we can do. So what I will do now, so I have two machines. This one is the Docker machine and this one is the Prometheus and Grafana. Both are installed here. Okay, what I will do first, I will use this machine to install Docker and Prometheus in the same machine. Okay, so I'll go to that machine. So this one is the 147 IP, this one. Okay, so here what I will have to do, so Docker is already installed here. Okay, so this one is logged out anyway. Okay, so this one is Ubuntu virtual machine, EC2 instance. Okay, so, and then clear screen, and then Docker is installed here. Okay, so Docker ps na, there is no container running. Docker images, there is no image in this machine now. Okay. Now what I will do, there is a file I have to create, and that file, if we will go to the Docker documentation, here in the Docker documentation, go to this run your application in production. Okay, collect matrices with Prometheus. Go to here, collect Docker matrices with Prometheus, and here you will get how to configure in Linux machine, how to configure in Windows machine, how to configure that Docker daemon.json. Okay, so if that daemon.json is available in the machine, then it's okay. So no need to create, otherwise we will have to create and put this lines into that file. Okay, so I will create that file. Okay, and here I will copy and paste. Okay, now save it. Okay, now what I will have to do, I will have to restart the Docker systemctl restart Docker. Okay, now go to the browser, go to here, get the IP of that machine. Okay, and go to the browser and give 9323. Okay, okay, so you will not get the output here. The matrices will be shared inside the server only. So if you will see state, if you will see, so this one Okay, Prometheus is running. We have opened up the Docker uh, to get the matrices, but Prometheus. So we have how we have configured. We have given the IP address and the port number. Okay, and we have started Docker, restarted Docker, and now it is running. Okay, okay. Now what I will do here, I have Prometheus. Okay, I have downloaded the Prometheus from the Prometheus website. I will go inside the Prometheus, and what I will do, I have one file, prometheus.yml. Okay, go to here, and here in the documentation, if you will see here this part, so this thing we will have to create one temp. In temp file we will have to create a prometheus.yml. okay, in that file we will have to put this uh, steps into that file, and after that we'll have to create the Prometheus Docker container. Okay, so they are creating the container and opening and then port forwarding to 9090. Okay, so they're running as a Docker container, but I'm here in this machine. I have downloaded the zip file and I have untar it, and I am configuring that Prometheus, okay, manually, and copy this part and paste it here, and then okay, Prometheus, here you can say like Docker. Okay, and here localhost. Okay, the same localhost will be there, and the port number will be 9323. So this port will be used by this port. Okay, 9323. Okay, you can copy this part and paste it here also. Okay, okay, so it's done. Now save it, and what I will do, I will start Prometheus here. So Docker is running in this machine, and Prometheus is also running in this machine. Okay, okay, the DB directory resource temporarily unavailable. Anyway, so restart systemctl. Docker. Okay, and let me grab the process ID of Prometheus. Yeah, so I will have to kill this process because this one is running 9 and 5. Okay, now restart Prometheus. Okay, so no error, you can see. Okay, now go to the browser and access the Prometheus. So in the same machine I have the Prometheus. Go to the browser and give 9090 port. Okay, so you can see I can access the Prometheus. Now go to the here. Yeah, so some daemon, so some matrices are showing here. Okay, daemon health sector trail, daemon container actions. Okay, so swarm, these matrices are showing here. Okay, now go to the status and see the target. You can see, yeah, so this one is the local machine, the server status. Prometheus server status. Can open it and can open this also. Okay, so here we cannot open because we are using the local host of that machine. Okay, now what I will do, I will use Grafana to access these matrices. Okay, then what I will do, I will go to the this machine. Okay, here my Grafana is running. Okay, Grafana runs at 3000 port. Okay, yeah, so my Grafana is running here. Now go to add your first data source. So what my data source will be Prometheus. Okay, yeah, so I think I already have this. Okay, so go to the Prometheus machine, take the IP and paste it here. Okay, and this Prometheus 1. Suppose Prometheus 1. Okay, and then save it. Okay, now go to here and import. Go to the Grafana dashboard, get a dashboard ID and import that. Okay, so let me try this one. Let's see. Okay, not this one. I will use Docker. Docker. Okay, so Docker and Prometheus. Yeah, so go to anyone like Prometheus. Data source must be Prometheus and okay, container Docker system monitoring. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, get the ID and paste it here and load it. Okay, okay, give a name like Docker system monitoring. Okay, monitoring like that I'm giving. Okay, then I will select the Prometheus data source and then import. You can see, so we are getting the output, graphical output of that Prometheus matrices. Okay, so like that we can do another dashboard also. We can import, go to the Prometheus dashboard and get one like, let me take this. Okay, get the ID 11,6000. Okay, load it and since the ID, like anything you can give. Okay, Prometheus 1 and then import. You can see it is showing the matrices like this way, or you can create your matrix here. If you go to Prometheus 1 and in matrices, if you use like histograms, okay, like this one, and then panel title, we can change the panel title histogram. Okay, so this way we can create our own dashboard also. So create, okay, add new panel like Prometheus 1, go to the matrices, builder, engine, etc. Go, okay, engine, if you see this one, okay, then if you give like engine like that, we can do, okay. And here, okay, we can move the panels like this, okay. So this is how we can create our dashboard, and we can save that dashboard. We can save our dashboard here, okay. I will not save this, okay. Okay, that's how we can get the Docker matrices and Prometheus. Another way that we can do is like go to the Docker machine, okay, open a new terminal. Okay, let's close it here. Okay, okay, so my machine is getting a little slower anyway. Now, the other way we can do is like sorry, this is very slow. So if we want to get the uh, machine, and then so open clear. If we want to get the same thing, we'll have to do what I will have to do, then vi etc docker then daemon JSON, okay. Here what I will have to do, I will have to remove this IP and put 0.0.0, okay, and remaining all things same. Save it and then restart Docker. Okay, now I want to get the Docker matrices in the Prometheus server. The next server, I want to get the Docker is matrices in this server. Then what I will have to do, I will have to go to that machine and okay, sorry, user, and then here file, go to Prometheus, okay, and the same file I will have to edit, and here I will have to input the IP, okay, IP of the Docker server, Docker host machine, okay. Get the IP and put it here, okay, and so job name Docker, and IP I will have to sense, okay. Now ps pf graph Prometheus, okay, kill the process, and then now start Prometheus. Okay. Let's see. Here go to the browser and put the IP 9090, okay. Default settings. Okay, still we are not getting anyway. Let me check. I think I should get yeah, so I am getting the matrices, okay. Let me check this one. Yeah, it's the matrices are showing here, okay. So we can now go to the here and go to Grafana, and then go to dashboard, okay, and add a Prometheus, okay. Get the IP of the Prometheus host machine, and then put it in here. Here you will have to use 9323, yeah. So we'll have to use the port number 9223 and then save. Let's see. Okay, it's not accessing. 9223, okay. Mm 9223. So actually we should give 9090, okay. 90. Let's see. Yeah, so now the connection is okay. Let me check. Create dashboard, go to here, Prometheus, okay, go to engine, and okay, this is how we can get the graph using the Prometheus data source, okay. So that's all for in this video. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you. Do subscribe and like and press the bell icon, and share the video. Okay, thank you.